Hi, I made this video because someone asked me to provide more ways to run their Python programs. Here I introduce one more cloud-based solution. You can go to this website and then simply type your Python program here, like this. And after finishing your programs, you can press run here to see the results. Okay, I press run, and then it runs. And then I input something, and it output as expected. You might want to save your program. Since this is a cloud-based solution, you can press sign up here, maybe with your Google account then. I choose my Google account. Okay, good. Then you can press save to save your program in the cloud. Another way I suggest is that to use these apps on iPad called Pythonista. Don't be scared by this screen. You can press the plus sign here to start a new program. See? Plus and then new file and then empty script. Type the program name here and press create. I type my program here again. Okay, you can then press this run button to run your program. See, it works. Next time, when you want to open this program again, you can press here and press this iPad. You can retrieve all your program then. Enjoy your programming. Goodbye.